Hi everyone, in this video we are going to use Python interpreter as a calculator. Type Python in the search box. Now you can observe Python IDLE here. Click here to open it. So this is Python IDLE environment. Now see how to use this Python interpreter as a calculator. Now we are going to use this Python interpreter as a calculator. This is called Python prompt. Triple greater than symbol. This is called Python prompt. Let me use a simple calculation. 2 plus 3. Press enter. Now see the result is 5. So here we are using Python interpreter as a calculator. See the another example. 6 minus 3. 3. Use parenthesis. 5 multiplication 5. Division 2. Press enter. Okay, the value is 12.5. Coming to the division, we have two types of the division operators in Python. First one is floor division and float division. See now, 10 division 3, press enter. Here we are getting float value now. This is called float division operator. Forward slash is called float division operator. Let me use floor division, that is double forward slash. Press enter. Now see, you are getting only integer value, not complete float value. This is the difference between floor division and float division. What is the main difference between floor division and float division? In the float division, you will get complete value in the form of float. For that we use forward slash. Floor division, we are using double forward slash symbol. We are getting only integer value. Then coming to the one more important operator here, exponent operator. See now, if you want to know 5 square, for that we use exponent operator like star star 2 times, then 2. 5 star star 2. The meaning of this is 5 square. Press enter. The answer is 25. Here double star symbol is called exponent operator. That's it. This is how to use a Python interpreter as a calculator. Thank you.